There it is. It is on. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna put my performance spoiler on right here that I've got in my hand. This is the official Tesla spoiler for the Model 3. Yeah, I made sure I cleaned the back real well. So if you look at the spoiler right here, you can see like it's got a groove in it. Unlike the S spoiler that sits on top, this actually just kind of clips on like that, like a little whip. Yeah, just about to put it on. All right, so I took off that first strip, so I'm going to take off this double-sided tape wrapper as well. One thing I noticed when I was putting it on is to keep it flat and then slide it across this way. So don't put it down, basically just slide it in so it sticks real nice. There she is, beautiful.